Recording your window screen can be helpful in YouTube tutorials. So today I'm going to cover how to record your window screen. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Genius A. If you're new here, make sure you hit that big subscribe button and all the links I have mentioned in this video you can find linked in the description box below. So let's jump into it. So, in order to record your screen, you will have to download a application called OBS Studio. You can see that I have got it right here and I am using it to record my screen now. So to download it, open your browser, click here obsproject.com and click on Windows. If you are on Mac, then click Mac. And you can see it started downloading. I will first of all cancel this because I already have downloaded a application and it's right here. Now I want to remind you that I can't show you how to run this because when I click next, OBS is already running. Please close it first before installing a new version. So I will have to close my OBS here and I have to download a new version. So I cannot show you all that. You will have to do it by yourself. So I'll close this now. So after installing this program, it will automatically open and it will look like this. Probably it will not look like this. I cannot show you, so I will. So this is another OBS that I just have opened. So when you first open OBS, it will not look like this. I will just delete this. So I will show you how to set up your OBS Studio. So it will look like this when you first open OBS Studio. Then you have to go and click here, this plus sign. This is to add sources. So go here and you can, if you want to capture your Windows screen, then you can click this. If you want to capture a game screen, then you can hit this game capture, but I'm hitting display capture and they will ask you if you want to put it a name. So I will make Tech Genius A. You can put any name you want and then click. Make sure that capture cursor is on and click OK. Now your screen is being recorded right here. So I will stop recording. And you can see where all your recording is going by hitting this show recordings. And if you want to capture your webcam, again go to plus and choose this video capture device. And you can name it whatever you want. I'll just let it be in default. Click OK. And this is the video capturing device. Let all of it be in default and click OK. And you can just drag it anywhere you want and then just make it very small. I can put it right here. Or if you want full screen, then I'll just cut it off and I'll go to edit, then transform, then I will stretch screen and see me in full screen right now. Okay, so this is how you do it. And if you want to select your recordings file, then go to settings and go to output. You can see that where all your recordings is going. You can just browse for it and put it on MP4. MP4. Maybe it will be on MKV for the first time. You may have to put it on MP4 and there'll be some warning. Just ignore it. I have tried it many times and there was no difficulty. And you can also set hotkeys as per your wish. Now I have set on mine here. I'll just put it on D. Anywhere you want, anything you want. I'll put cancel here and you have to save changes right here and click OK. Now the changes are saved here. Now you can, maybe in the future I will do a complete tutorial on how to do this. I don't know. So I'll close this and I'm using this OBS now. And I am currently recording here. You can see that, and it's display capture. And go to file, show recordings, anything I want. Can lock position, then you can't. Then you have to unlock it. Can put it. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's it. That's how you record your Windows screen. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new video uploads. And again, links are in the description box below. Go and click that link and that will directly take you to the site obsproject.com. And don't forget to check out my other videos. Okay? Bye bye.